now that we've connected our socials, the idea is to get as much out of this Facebook page as possible and as quickly as possible. Remember, take tortoise. Speed is the aim of the game. So, how do we quickly post across our Facebook and Instagram pages while tailoring it to the two different pages? The way that we do that is we use this tool here called Meta Business Suite. In the original video, I pointed out that Facebook has so many tools available. It is such a big platform. And this here, this Meta Business Suite, is the reason that is. This is the reason they're one of the biggest companies on the planet, because of this tool here. And we're going to learn how to use that now. So come to your page, click on that, and it will open the Meta Business Suite, which is effectively the back end of your business page. From here, we've got a lot of things on here. Don't have to really worry too much about these things, how to get started. I'll talk you through that in a better way than they show. But we've got a couple of tools on this toolbar here. To start with, we're going to have a look at the planner. So we're going to come to the planner. And what we can see from here is a weekly or a monthly view of where your posts are. What posts are you posting and when are you posting them? The cool thing about this is they don't get shadow banned effectively for using this. If you use other platforms, they don't promote it quite as much because they know it came from, say, Hootsuite or something like that. If you use this, it actually gets shown more because it shows that you're utilizing Facebook to its full capabilities. So what we want to do is come to here and then go to create, and we're going to create a post. Now, for this, we have post to your Facebook page, but you also have the Instagram page. Now, I haven't connected an Instagram page, but you should have. And if you have, definitely tick that as well. What that will allow you to do is actually make a post for Facebook or for Instagram. You can pick one or the other, or you can pick both. When you pick both, you can actually tweak the picture, the text, and all those things to have a template for both, and then you can change them individually. And I'll kind of show you what I mean by that. From there, you can also add a photo, add a video, use a template, whatever it may be. You can put in your text and you could say, hey, Facebook. And then you might put a smiley, just as a little message there. So you can see here as well what's actually going to come up on the computer, and you can switch it so you can see what's going to come up on the phone. Yes, that looks good. You could have a photo if you want. And then you can come down here and add some more stuff. So we can add a feeling, might be feeling happy. Save that. And now you can see here, feeling happy. There we go. Now it's loaded. Russian tutor is feeling happy. It's always good to have on just a little meaningless post. But you've also got some other things. So let's get off that. You can also put your location, particularly if you're a location-based freelancer. Let's say you've done the lawn mowing course, and now you're offering lawn mowing in a certain area. Having the location of that area would be very, very helpful. You can also connect your messenger as well, which we've talked about before in the previous videos. So you can connect that up. So if someone clicks on your post or on an ad, for instance, which we'll talk about as well, they will directly message you. From there, we can also connect a link. So you can put your landing page, your website, whatever it may be, straight in there. And we can also do A/B testing. Now, A/B testing is something that will look very similar to the Facebook or Instagram page. So what we can do is I'll just show you this, and this will give you an idea about the A/B testing and the Instagram. So from here, what we get is two different versions. So just for the moment, let's imagine this is the Facebook version and this is the Instagram version, which you'll see when you connect them. So what we could do here is have Hey Facebook, and then on Instagram, we could actually change that to Hey Instagram. And then we're talking directly to the audience on the platform that we're using. So this allows us to tailor our message to what we want. You might also run a promotion. So you could say, we've got a promotion code, and you might have 20 Facebook, might be 20% off if you come from Facebook. But then on Instagram, you could also have the same idea, but instead of 20 Facebook, you have 20 Instagram. So now you know where your clients are coming from. You're able to tailor to them accordingly, and that's really helpful. For this actual A to B testing though, what we may have is a situation where we're not sure why our post isn't working as well as we want. So what we may decide to do for A and B testing is go, hey Facebook, to draw people in, and then we might have howdy Facebook, and we might change the emoji. Let's make it a cowboy. So where's the cowboy? There he is. And now we can post saying hey Facebook and howdy Facebook and see which one performs better. The rest of the message could be the same. You could have the same picture, same link, everything else. And then you can have a look at what the difference is and which one does better with your particular audience. You could even make a third or fourth one and test other things. So you might have hey Facebook with a different picture, and then you might have hey Facebook with a different link, and just see what's happening. And the cool thing about the A/B testing, which I think you should definitely take advantage of, if we hover over it, we can see here that we can test up to 4 versions for the first 30 minutes. And Facebook will automatically continue posting the one that gets the most out of it. So what's going to happen is Facebook will automatically do the hard work for you. It will automatically look at which one's doing best, and it will promote that one and stop the other 3 so that your time isn't wasted on those 3, which is very, very helpful. So let's say we've got the hey Facebook. We want to schedule it now. So this is going to be a nice tool for you. So you can schedule here, and let's say that we want to do it on Saturday. And we've decided we want to post it at 10 a.m. Excellent. So we can schedule that. Get out of that, maybe later. And now we come back to the calendar, the planner, and we can see there at 10 a.m. we're going to post the hey Facebook post. If you post it to Instagram, it will also come up and show that one too. And then you're able to click on that if you need to, and you can edit it accordingly. So you can come here to edit post, and you can edit that. From there, what you should do is schedule your next month's worth of posts so that you don't have to worry about it. You sit down, you do all your month's worth of posting in one hit. Plan it out so that it's nice and simple for you. So I would recommend once a month, set a reminder on your phone. You're going to sit down and you're going to do 4 weeks worth of posting. And then from there, you can just leave it and forget about it. You can focus on growing your business. You can focus on your other social media platforms. And that means that you're maximizing the Facebook page without putting excessive amounts of time each week into it. So very, very useful tool.